Welcome to this video dedicated to a new DHD mini quadcopter project. This is a D3, or also named Mini Ready. So what you will find is basic box and instruction manual, where you will be able to find, for example, on the page 5, the different role of each button. So mainly you have this left shoulder button, which is a speed selector. 3 speed modes are available. This right shoulder is to perform flips, and to select the headless and the 1K return you have to press the trim button here on the left for the headless, and here for the 1K return. The other button are for trimming. No specific spare props in the bundle, because this machine, as you can see, is fully jailed, so I assume to be super durable. So you have a nano machine, something around 65-60 millimeters of diagonal, and you have some 3 blade with each pitch props. Okay, some 6 millimeters by 15 coreless motors. Not so light, and unfortunately, as you can see, there is no free battery, so it's jailed completely in the canopy. It means that you will have to recharge thanks to this USB charging cable. Good news, at least you have a power switch, okay, and you have this front white LEDs and some different color. So let's engage the flight. You will need for the battery 4 AAA batteries. Okay, and the good news also, you can carry this quadcopter into this transmitter. It's fully transportable. Okay, let's engage the flight. Okay, so I will turn on the power switch, and you have also a power switch on the transmitter on top of it. And if you need to calibrate the gyros, you have to push a bow stick in lower outer direction like this, and you have this beep while the LED is flashing. Let's start in beginner rate. Okay, and it's assumed to be more indoors flyers. You will have to push up and down the throttle to hard, and let's see. So don't expect a miracle in presence of wind. So it's super wind sensitive. As you can see, I'm moving backward. I cannot resist to the wind. I have to, even on the 3rd speed mode, I can't go further, so I have to cut the throttle, so not super wind resistant actually. Okay, so recalibrate, and so this is a yaw rate in high speed, so it's super slow. It's hard to find the wind. As you can see, super light, and down the wind is much faster. So there is a phenomena. As soon as you're decent, you can take some forward speed, but as soon as you stabilize, the machine don't offer a super great top speed. So it's really, this is a maximum speed. As you can see, it's very hard for the machine to move forward or backward. Okay, so this is a drawback, definitively an indoor flyers. So the I have to. Okay, resume one more time. No information about the radio protocol. So it's super slow, very hard. So don't fly it in outdoors condition. In windy, you will lose it. Look at that, maximum speed. So the J is protecting everything, but it's slowing also everything. So it's not a super good design in my point of view. Look at that, I cannot move forward. Super hard to come here. You have to push up the throttle, gain some altitude, and then you can jump like this to move forward, to take some acceleration, or to apply a yaw turn. Okay, look at that, yaw, descent, yaw, and then no. I'm moving back while I'm being in the top forward speed. Super hard for the machine to. I've got the light flashing, so I reach almost LVC. Yes. No, it's super hard to fly this machine, to fight the wind. No, it's not super fun, definitively. a typical indoors machine, and it cannot resist at all to any kind of wind, any force. And now I've got the LVC alarm, so the flying duration is not so important, something about 2 minutes, 2 minutes and a half. So to resume, wow, in indoors flyers, where the top speed is completely killed by this system, okay, because I think it's too flat and it's hard to level. The gyroscope are with a 6-axis stabilization force. It's you have a kind of mechanical flattening 6-axis stabilization due to the structure, so it's super hard for the motor to move forward, okay, at least for the rear wheel. So okay, you have this is a drawback of this main design. In terms of control range, I would say you have something about 30 meters. You can perform the antenna mode. You have to remove all these screws here. You have plenty of, but you can at least install vertically the antenna. It's the same for the radio control. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please submit. See you next time. Bye bye.